Here I have XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just press combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time like this. And that's how you can easily take a screenshot. So let me show you once again. Power key, volume down, and that's how it's done. So one last time, volume down, power key, and let's go. We can find your screenshots in gallery, in the album called Screenshots and Screen Recordings, in the screenshots section. And here they are. From here you can send, edit, favorite, delete your screenshots, or perform other actions from this list. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.